same as yesterday's show. I really hope you enjoyed it. However, if you didn't get a chance to see it, go over and watch it now. What are you doing? Why are you watching this? Go and watch that. But if you did get a chance to see it, you'll know just how much fun we all had. So I decided to do a little vlog, I guess a vlog's the right word, on what it's like to be behind the scenes member of Geeksvana and also be a member of Geeksvana. The little perks and things like that, and the relationship me and Sean have, and just how amazing it is to be part of the channel and part of the community. So I hope you enjoy. Here it is. Right guys, we're in. This is my little office. So I'll take you on a little tour quickly. So this is what you guys see behind me. This is Luke's little section. And then this is my little section. Obviously my microphone, my headphones, Zoom, ready to meet the great Sean later. And yeah, that's about it. This is where I do my thing. My ring light. Every good TikToker should have a good ring light. Something's not right. It's because you are on my ring light. I've always wanted to do that. So typically me and Sean have a quick 10-15 minute catch up before the show and speak to any guests who might be coming on as well. The chat's coming through, we're rearing to go, and then this is when the magic really starts to happen. But this is where the chemistry comes out for me and Sean just before the show. Get us ready, get us comfortable, and we look forward to seeing you. So this is Sean introducing the show tonight, and as you can see I'm in the green room having so much fun. You can already see the chat coming through, yay! So this was the after show meetup. As you can see, it's the first one and it was amazing. The guys are so friendly and so funny. I'm so excited to do it again. So that's it. That's the end of the show. I hope you all had an amazing time tonight. I know I 100% did. Can I just say that the guest we had on tonight was so insightful and informative. I really hope you had the same benefits that I did from having him on. We hope to see you again soon, dude. As well, the after show party, what can I say? This must be my new favourite thing on Geeksvana. I love that I can now put names to faces, so please, next fortnight one, join in, come and say hi, and I hope to see the same faces again too. I hope you all had an amazing time. I'm going to bed, makeup off, hair done, live out. Can I just say before we go a massive thank you to all of you out there who support us on a daily basis. You don't understand how much you contribute to our channel by just viewing it. Thank you so much to all of you, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!
Please remember to like and subscribe.